Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the internship program provided by the one of the Tata Group company. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for all the college going students, freshers to get this opportunity and complete the internship. And friend, we are going to check all the details, what types of things you will learn and what is the eligibility criteria and how you have to apply. So please watch the video complete. So let's start the video. So friend, first you have to go to the Google search bar and here you have to write Tata Steel Downstream Products Limited. And friend, once you write, then below you can see the result. So you have to open the first link and then you will redirect it to this page. So we are going to check first about the company, then we will discuss internship details. So you can see Tata Steel Downstream Product Limited was originally set up in 1997 as a Tata Roshan Limited. And friend, it is a joint venture between Tata Steel of India and Roshan USA. And friend, you can see here TSDPL is a 100% subsidiary of Tata Steel. And you can see here with the 10 largest processing units and 15 sales and distribution locations and a host of partners like external processing agencies, suppliers and other stakeholders. Today, Tata Steel Downstream Private Limited is India's largest steel service center organization. And friend, they are one of the leading automotive steel supplier in India. You can see here, and they are having a world-class processing facilities and comprehensive quality assurance systems. So these are the about the company details, and let's check the other details. And friend, also you can see the company serves the various segments. You can see they serve the automobile, in which you can see their client is Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki. You can see Ashok Leyland, Ford, Bajaj, and you can see many more companies are given. Then you can see they are also involved in the lifting and excavation. Then in general engineering. Then you can see in appliance, in panels. Basically, they produce the panels for the electric switchgear, elevator panels. You can see here. So I will provide the link in the video description box from where you can know about more this company. So for applying the internship opportunity, you can see here on the top career page is given. Then you have to select the internship, and once you click, then this type of window will come. So friend, you can see here Tata Steel Downstream Product Limited encourage students from various business schools and engineering institutes of the repute across the country to be part of its internship projects, which are usually of a duration 8 to 12 weeks. And you can see here the interns don't just learn on the job. They are also encouraged to share their knowledge and contribute by giving innovative solutions and suggestions. So this is the very good opportunity for you. And you can see here, they invite the application from various institutes for internship. And you can also see the candidates are offered projects after initial round of training based on each candidate's ability, their mobility and organizational requirement. And then you can also apply directly using the, you can see, internship online. So we are going to check this third option. So friend, for that you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box, and you have to go to the career page. Then you have to click on this internship. Then this apply now icon will be come at the bottom of this website. You can see. So you have to simply click on this apply now, and friend, once you click, then a small application form will be open here. So before going to check these details, friend, if you have not subscribed our channel Info Roshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship notifications and technology related videos. So please subscribe our channel Info Roshan. It will motivate us to create more content for you. So friend, let's check about the form. So you can see here, B.TECH and BE students must complete the 6th semester and MBA student must complete the 2nd semester, and CA students will be eligible as an industrial trainee post submission of institute's approval letter. So final year students can also apply, and you can see here you have to provide your name here and there your address. Then you have to write your city, state, pin code. Then you have to write your personal information like date of birth, gender, you can see category, then marital status. Your email ID is very important here, so please provide it correctly, and also phone number. So if you are shortlisted, then you will either receive the call or you will get the email to your given email ID. Then you can see the application details. Here you will write the qualification. So here you write to the 10th and 12th details like your institution, year of passing, your marks, and which subject you have taken. Then your graduation, post graduation. So if you are a diploma holders, then you can see also other options are given, so you can fill it. Then total years of experience, and you can see if you have done any internship before, so you have to upload here. Then you can see students authorization letter. So if you want internship, then you can take a simple letter from your college or any means authorized authority that you want internship in the Tata Steel Downstream Product Limited, and you have to simply upload here. And other than this, you can also attach your CV here, and then you can see the other details are given. So if you want any other point, then you can upload here, and also if you want any additional documents which can support your application, then you can also upload here. And at the end, you have to review your all details that it is correct or not. And so once you review, then you have to click on this submit button, so that your application will be submitted. And if there is any update, you will get on the either on your phone number or your given email ID. And friend, if you have any query regarding this internship opportunity, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe